we've been seeing a lot of these, deep fried artichoke hearts or fried artichoke hearts. Super expensive. The last one we paid $18, just $2 off because it was happy hour. They are so easy and my new favorite thing. Let's show the after real quick, just so we got some of our simple Italian bread. So what I did, I got some artichoke hearts. Doesn't matter if they're in water or oil. These ones are water, just because I don't know. They're already sliced. I got some zucchini too. Same thing. Get some flour, a little salt and pepper in there, just enough to fill a nice paper plate. It's gonna clean up. A couple eggs, scramble those real quick, and then just enough breadcrumbs to top that off. I even threw some of this delicious truffle parmesan and garlic. Oh, there's Sophia. She can make her appearance. Okay. Oil to about 4 to where it doesn't burn too quick, but it doesn't get soggy. That's something you have to figure out. Got this from the dollar store. Awesome. Put it in there. Flip it when it starts to get a little brown. You can see what that finished product looks like, that color brown. Gives it minutes for a second too long. I'm going to show you one quick tip. 2 hands. Dry hand, wet hand. Dry. Goes in the flour. Sprinkle it. Here, come in so we can show you. This technique, it really helps. See how it's dry fingers? Throw it in there. Use your wet hand. Nasty, right? Use a little fork if you want. This is just a little KFC leftover thing because I don't want them too big. All right, and then wet hand. Don't touch this. It's dry. Boom, boom, boom. Ready in there? Away from you. Boom. Rinse and repeat. You save yourself 20 bucks. That whole jar cost me $4. Next time I'm going to go to Costco and get the 2-pack for like 10, 15 bucks. Again, you can see Sophia. Can we go over there real quick? Here. Let's try to do this one quick. Say hi, Sophia. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, she got a smile. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Give me some comments, some other cool stuff that you've used or different tweaks. Thanks, guys.